Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to import video on CapCut. To import video on CapCut, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do is this. I want you to open up your CapCut app. So let's open up the CapCut app now. So once you open up the CapCut app, it is going to open up this page for you. Once it opens up this page, I want you to look very well. You're going to see where it says new video. So I want you to tap on that new video. So once you tap on that new video, it will take you to your gallery on your phone. So what you want to do from here, you just want to select the videos you want. You can select as many videos as you want to edit. So just select the videos you want to edit. Once you are done selecting it, if you now check the down part, the bottom right corner, you are going to see where it says add. So you want to tap on that add. So let's tap on add. So guys, once you tap on add, this will take you to the CapCut editing interface where you can be able to edit the videos. So guys, this is how to actually import videos from your phone down to your CapCut editing app. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.